I've been preparing to can potatoes this morning, and I still have a lot of work to go on it, so I'm not going to have a lot of time to prep for food later. So I have a Boston butt roast that I'm putting some seasoning on. It's a barbecue seasoning. I will put the instructions to make that down in the description below. But I'm just going to throw this in my Instant Pot. And that way I don't have to worry about the meat for dinner tonight. Just cover it good. Put it in here. Cram it down in there because it's a little big. I need a bigger Instant Pot. And I'm going to put 2 cups of water. Dump the rest of my seasoning that I spilled in here. A little bit more for maximum flavor. Put the lid on my Instant Pot. Make sure that you turn it from venting to the ceiling, which makes the pressure on it. Put it on the meat. And this is not all the way defrosted, so I am going to cook it a little longer. I'm going to cook it for an hour and a half. And it kicked on. And that's just as simple as what it is. Once it comes up to pressure, it will cook for the right amount of time. And it'll sit and cool off. Pressure will drop. I take it out and shred it, and voila, I have the main course for dinner. There you go. Have a good one.